Looks like that package wasn't quite right. We'll see if we can get that fixed. And for now, we're going to talk about the weather. It is just a soggy day. We've got a lot of rain still falling across the area. Of course, the gray skies and raindrops showing up on all of our cameras tonight. And that's going to continue to be the theme late tonight and into very early tomorrow. So a current look at the radar, we are still seeing widespread activity, especially across southern Illinois and back off into southeastern Missouri. Fairly steady rainfall extending all the way from Jefferson County down into the southern 7 in southern Illinois, where you've got these pockets of some of those brighter yellows, maybe slightly heavier or steady rainfall coming down in those areas. The heaviest rainfall right now falling back across parts of southeastern Missouri, extending through southern Perry County down through Bollinger County into Madison, and of course down further south into Wayne and Butler counties. But western Kentucky really not seeing a whole lot of activity right now. So drier there, just seeing some light showers extending down to just north of the Mayfield area. This heavy rain and the chance for some gusty winds will stick around tonight, so that threat tracker bar is going to be staying up quite a bit as we have an active night ahead of us. By the time we get to Thursday, we are going to dry out a bit, but it's going to be a very windy day. So wind is not going to leave us right away. By the time we get to Friday, another chance for some light rain and snow, but not as active as what we're going to be seeing today. So here's what we got going on nationally. We are tracking that area of low pressure. That's keeping the strongest storms off to our south, where we've got those yellow boxes showing up across parts of the deep south. That's a tornado watch. That does not extend into our area. This warm front will continue to lift to the north, and eventually a cold front will move through, and that will bring an end to our rain. But widespread rain expected throughout the remainder of the evening, especially across southern Illinois, back off into southeastern Missouri as the cold front moves through. Between about 11 o'clock and probably 3 to 4 a.m., there is going to be some really strong winds. There's a chance for an isolated strong storm or two, but for the most part, we're talking about really gusty winds. We're talking 40 to 50 miles per hour. So that on its own isn't enough to take down some of those tree limbs. So something to watch out for by the time we get into early Thursday. Maybe some light showers still lingering in our far eastern counties, but that'll be coming to an end. Mostly cloudy skies stick with us throughout the day on Thursday. Maybe a few peaks of sunshine trying to show up across the western portions of the area by the second half of the day Thursday. So as we move through the next couple of hours and into early tomorrow morning, the biggest threat is going to be flooding, especially back across parts of southeastern Missouri. 2 to 3 inches across Missouri and extending into parts of southern Illinois with isolated higher amounts. So don't try to drive through any pooling water. This is a look at the severe storm threat. The entire area is under that marginal risk. That's a 1 on a scale of 1 to 5. Again, a potential for some of those strong winds tonight. That's what we'll be watching. You can track all of this right there on your phone with that Storm Track 3 app. The projected wind gusts as we get into early Thursday morning, still going to be running between 40 and 50 miles per hour. So very, very windy weather coming our way. After we get into the second half of the day on Thursday, we will finally start to quiet down a bit. We'll see that chance for rain and some snow mixing in by the time we get to Friday, but overall we're talking very light amounts, and then just in time for the weekend, here comes that dry weather again.
Oh boy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Sunshine on the weekend.
Can't wait.
Perfect timing. Yes. All right. Thank you, JC.